To make custard, start by heating 1 3/4 cups or 415 milliliters of milk in a saucepan over low heat. Bring the milk to a simmer, then remove it from the heat. In a separate bowl, beat 4 egg yolks until smooth. Add in 1/3 cup or 66 grams of raw sugar and continue to beat the mixture. When the mixture has thickened and is a pale yellow color, start to pour in the milk very slowly while beating the mixture. Continue to add the milk slowly until it's all mixed in, beating the mixture until it's smooth. Now transfer the custard to a saucepan on low heat. Stir continuously until the custard thickens and do not allow it to simmer. Then remove the custard from the heat and whisk it until it cools. Finally, pour the custard through a sieve and stir in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Serve and enjoy.